Hey, what's up guys, I am Tag. Welcome to our territory. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is coming with a 108 megapixel main camera and a periscopic lens with up to 50x zoom. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus rear cameras have been leaked, and while the next Samsung flagship will one of the S20 Ultra's most impressive cameras, its periscopic zoom camera may not be as powerful. According to Ice Universe, the Twitter leakster, he says that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is coming with a 108 megapixel main camera and 13 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a laser focus sensor. The 108 megapixel sensor is the same one found on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and it is one of the sharpest camera you can currently find in a smartphone. It is great news that Samsung adding this on to its top tier Note 20. But the S20 Ultra did suffer from focusing problems, making it unnecessarily slow to take in focus pictures. That is likely where the laser focus comes in, replacing the normal time of flight sensor, while TOF sensors can help make effects like portrait mode work more accurately or make augmented reality apps better. Some users may prefer a camera system that focuses reliably, which the laser focus should help with. The 12 megapixel ultra wide camera is the same resolution as the ultra wide camera on the whole Galaxy S20 range, but the 13 megapixel telephoto camera is not found on any of them. The S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus have a 64 megapixel 3x hybrid zoom sensors, while the S20 Ultra has a 48 megapixel 4x optical zoom sensor with a maximum of 100x hybrid zoom. It is not on last year's Galaxy S10 or Galaxy Note 10 either, which both use 12 megapixel sensors. This 13 megapixel telephoto camera has a maximum zoom of 50x according to Ice Universe, placing it between the 30x maximum of the S20 and S20 Plus and the 100x of the S20 Ultra. This leak now puts into question what the base Galaxy S20 will use for cameras. We had expect something similar to the Note 20 Plus, but it is possible Samsung will swap out the main camera for something smarter like the 12 megapixel sensor on the S20 and S20 Plus. Perhaps the laser focus will be left off accordingly. We are currently expecting the Galaxy Note 20 series to get a reveal event in August. It will likely to be accompanied by a Samsung next foldable, the Galaxy Fold 2, and could also be joined by a Galaxy Tab S7 tablet. Other expected Note 20 specifications include 4000 and 4500 mAh batteries and using Exynos 992 chipset with 120Hz display and 5G connectivity. While the design is still a mystery at this point, it will likely look like a Galaxy S20 with sharper corners, with a slot at the bottom for all important S Pen stylus that define the Galaxy Note 20 series. We can expect the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is launched in August. Let me know down the comments below what's your thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20. Thank you for watching. See you next time.